Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Ally bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Ally bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link secure.ally.com. Just click on that link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now you will be directly taken to the login page. Now over here you just need to enter your username. Similarly you need to enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on that eye icon to see your password. And click on that save username for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your username or password, just click on username or password. If you want to create a profile to manage your account online, just click on create a profile. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.